Hi everybody, this is Dr. Shea with Align Life Chiropractic and Wellness. Today we're going to go through video 9 of our 10 keys to lifetime wellness. Last time we spoke in regards to how chiropractic fits into the model of eat, move, think, and structure. Today we're going to go through a little bit more detail in respect to that, sort of a part 2 of this last series. So today I want to talk a little bit about the structure of the body. I want to talk a little bit about posture, and I want to talk about what lives inside your spine and how important that is in keeping your whole body functioning optimally. So first things first, let's talk a little bit about chiropractic. So chiropractors, our job is to really focus on the alignment and health of the spine and of the pelvis. So the spine has 2 major jobs. The first is that it's going to help to support our bodies and keep us upright. We call that your posture. The second thing it does is it provides protection for the spinal cord. The spinal cord, guys, is this yellow guy that lives right in the middle of the spinal bones and these nerves. The spinal cord and the nerves are the communication system of our entire body. So the way that your body works, as you guys know, the brain that would sit inside the skull here, it communicates with the rest of the body by running energy right down the spinal cord. The spinal cord then takes that energy and shoots it out, guys, across these nerves. Those nerves kick out to the right and left-hand sides of the body, and they go out to everything. So your glands, your organs, your muscles, tissues, bones, all of those guys and gals need all that good communication and energy to move from the brain through the spine. That's the chiropractor's job before it can get out into those organs and tissues. So if we're doing a great job in our chiropractic lifestyle, our posture is upright, the bones are well aligned, there's not a lot of stress or tension on the spinal cord or nerves, and accordingly, the body's communicating effectively brain to body. You can heal and you can function at your best. When we run into challenge is if we've had any sort of stress that takes place to the structure of the body. This could be in the form of stuff that happens fast, so slips and falls, sports injuries, car accidents, workplace injuries, or it can happen because of things that happen slowly and progressively over time. What I'm referring to there is all of the body position habits that we struggle with. Sitting position, standing position, lifting position, sleep positions, cell phones, laptops, working from home at the kitchen table rather than in an ergonomic office setup. These types of stressors lead to shifts in the alignment of the bones, guys. We get misalignment. Misalignment leads to a few different problems. To make it simple, the things that I focus on, number 1, these bones don't move very well. The joints become very stiff, very restricted in their movement. Number 2, it puts stress onto the nerve. So once the nerves are under stress, then how well they send their signals from the spinal cord out into the organs and tissues, that energy is very much turned down. Think of this like a dimmer switch effect for your lights. Right? So now the health and function of the parts of the body at the end of those nerves progressively weakens and degenerates over a period of time. Okay? So the name of this condition that I'm describing that chiropractors work to correct is called subluxation. Try that with me. Subluxation. Subluxation. So one area of subluxation will not only cause these local effects, but it will also lead to changes in the posture of the individual, because somewhere else in the body we've got to compensate for that misalignment. With these postural changes, we end up with distortions, and now we get stress that'll actually weaken and affect not just one area of the spinal cord or nerves, but now the entire system. The whole system's under stress. Now getting energy from the brain into the entire body is turned down. Now someone's overall health, their systemic health, is not functioning optimally and can lead to disease. So as a chiropractor, my job is to be able to go in and identify these areas of subluxation, identify the areas of postural distortion, and work to correct them. And by doing so, not only restore the health and function of the spine and have it last your entire life so you can do what you want, but it also helps to eliminate stress and tension on the spinal cord and nerves so that you can communicate effectively, your body can adapt to your environment readily, and your body can function optimally and heal. So this is very important when we talk about the structure of the body. It's also huge when we start understanding something called sagittal balance. Sagittal balance is describing when we look at the body from the side, can we draw one straight line from the whole of the ear all the way down and hit our ankle bone and not have different angles that show up? meaning my head is not forward of my shoulders, or my torso isn't back and my head is forward, or something like that, where we're starting to get misalignment in the overall posture. If we can draw a straight line from top to bottom, the most current scientific research is supporting the fact that you will significantly decrease your likelihood of chronic pain, and you'll significantly decrease your likelihood of being dependent upon other individuals in order for you to be able to do your activities of daily living as you move forward in life. I've spoken with thousands of people in respect to their health. I've never once heard anyone say, I want to move forward in my life and be dependent upon someone else to use the restroom or get my clothes on or make my food and things of that nature. Never once. So posture is going to be huge. The structure of your body is going to be huge, and being able to help you to be able to reach your long-term goals. And again, Aligned Life is all about helping you to identify your long-term vision, match and align your current behaviors with that vision, and then give you the path to be able to walk to help you hit that successfully. So this is how chiropractic helps you be able to achieve those goals and create the ideal lifestyle for healing. Thanks for listening today, guys. Look for video 10 shortly. It'll come out next week. Talk to you soon.